Yeah. Yeah. But you don't finish the lesson that we had last time. Not yet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let us finish that one. Okay. So oh, it's good that you wake up early. Very good. What time do you usually wake up, Ben, in the morning?
It is school. I'm gonna wake up at sometime like 5:30.
Ah, okay. 5:30. You wake up at 5:30.
But now in the summer, sometimes I get up at 6 a.m.
Oh, very early. In school, we usually wake up also, Ben, like early because we need to go to school like before 7 a.m. Because teacher Ann will be late if I will go to school at 7:15. I need to be early. Okay? So, Journey, we're done with this, right, Ben? Na, na, na. Okay, this one, right? With one was yesterday, last night. 7, 8, 9, 10. This one. Are we done with this?
Yeah, we done
Finish?
this.
Finish, right? Task 4, yeah, finished. I guess we are in task 5. Okay? We writing?
We
Are we
done this
done?
too.
Finished?
Done this too.
And this one, how about this?
We done it too.
Okay. And this one, talking ability? Not yet.
No.
Okay. So talking about ability. Okay. So present, to talk about ability in the present, we can use can or be able to. Okay, it's the present. Like we normally prefer can rather than be able to. So mostly we use can. Like I can smell. Okay. Oh, teacher, the boat is rocking too much. I can't walk straight. Okay. I can't focus my study. So we try to use can as present. Okay. Teacher Ann, it's hard for me to wake up. I can't wake up early. Okay, so your ability. What is ability? Do you have ability to wake up early? Oh, teacher, I can't wake up early. So I don't have the ability to wake up early. Okay, so it means know how to. Okay, do you know how to? Do you know how to? Okay, can you juggle, Ben? No, I don't know how to juggle. Okay, do you know how to swim? Oh, teacher, I can't swim. Oh, by the way, Black, do you know how to swim? Do you know how to swim?
No, I just know it last summer, but now I forgot.
Yeah, okay, correct. Okay. We're using the passive form. The wheels can be removed. The tickets can be exchanged or refunded. Oh, we are. So as you can see, we are where using passive form. We are. Okay. Now, so talking about ability in the past. Okay, the same. When we use can in the present, we will use could in the past. Very easy. The same pattern then, but we have to use can or could. Okay. She could read before she was 4 years old. Okay, past tense. Okay, again, can present, past tense, could, right? Okay. So I couldn't find a seat on the train. Okay, that was past tense. Okay, when you use could, that's past tense.
Okay.
Ben ha. Oh, oh, you sweep the
Hello?
floor. Wait, Ben ha. You sweep the floor, then after you sweep the floor, you mop the floor. Okay. Oh, naka-start. Okay, so that is past tense. So again, can present. The rules then the same. Can present, past tense is could. Okay. Okay. Okay, thinking about ability, talking about possibility. Okay, possibility, what is the possible thing that happened? Okay, we also use can and could to talk about possibility. We use could to speculate and can for general statements. Okay, we also use can and could to talk about possibility, and we use could to speculate and can for general statements. Okay. So taxis can be expensive. Buses are usually cheaper. So general. Okay, your speculation is just your thinking. Let's get the bus. A taxi could be expensive. So you try to speculate that the taxi could be expensive, but you are not sure. You only try to speculate then. You understand then? So you only try to speculate, but you are not sure. Okay? Note that we sometimes use can for speculation in questions. What can the problem be? Oh, in conditional sentences, we often use could in place of would be able to. Okay? If you left now, you could catch the last bus home. So look at this one. Choose the correct words to complete the sentence. Okay? So here, explain why the other options do not work. Example ha, B. Okay. Was able to reach is could have reached expresses possibility in the past, whereas the context requires ability in the past. Okay. Even though you will not explain, just answer.
Okay.
Wait, Ben ha, I am calling my boss, Ben. Just a minute.
Okay.
Answer. Okay. So here, number 2. Letter B was unable to provide. 3. Okay. Managed to. 4. Has been able to. Okay. Yes. Okay. Number 5. Couldn't have. Okay. So number 1. Okay. So we use could. And then number 2 was unable to provide. Okay. Can't have provided is used to make deduction. Okay. You cannot provide. So it makes you deduction about the past. Whereas the context requires ability. Your ability. You are unable to provide. So your ability that you cannot provide. Here, number 3, it's managed to. could is not used to talk about ability. Okay? On a single occasion in the past, single occasion. So you have to use managed to. Okay, three like this. Perry managed to convince more people. So this is your ability. Okay, how Perry do this? He managed to convince. If he managed to convince, he tried to convince. Okay, he has the ability to convince. Okay, four, could, has been able to. Could is the wrong tense in this text. Okay, the present perfect is required. Okay, four, where is number four? Okay. But so far, nobody has been able to verify, nobody has been able to verify it. Okay, so we need a present perfect. So that's why has been able. Okay, and can have. Can have isn't used to speculate about the past. Okay, so five. So, in fact, most modern explorers argue that he can have reached the pole. Okay, can have, not couldn't have. Okay. Okay. So this one, number seven. Even um, and then there's an answer.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So six is can't. Okay. A negative model is required in the context. Negative. Number six. Okay. So equipment can't complete the journey so quickly. Can't. So it means negative model. Okay. Seven. Okay. Seven. Okay. I'll never be able to. Can is used to talk about specific ability in the present and future. Okay, eight. Can, nine, manage to. Okay, can. Okay, can is used to talk about ability in the present. Number eight. Okay, the first people who can be sure set foot on the North Pole were the members of an expedition in 1948. Okay, so here now, please try to rewrite the sentence using the verb in the brackets, be able to. Okay, how with me. All employees must be able to. You have to add be able to, okay? Add be able to.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh, he can't. Oh, what's this? Okay, he can't hear us. He can't have been able to hear us. This was Ben. Able to hear us. Where is this able, Ben? Ben, please
Oh,
use the word be able to. Okay. He can't have been able to hear us. Where is the word able? I did not see the word able. Please include able.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yes. Okay. Ade, asa na yung anak? Ah, cellphone. Mana din mo dito? Dali ka dali. Tawag ka tuloy. Kung siguro, tiwa ng tagay context. From. Wait ni Ben ha.
Hey,
Hey, let me see. Wait me, Ben. Just wait, Ben. Wait me a minute din ha. Wait me.
Okay.
Ben, so let us see. Sorry, Ben, my boss calls me. And then, okay, so I really hate the fact that I can't be able to skate. It's like you should be able to, the doctor should be able to see you today, or you should be able to see the doctor. That would be correct, okay? Okay. She seems to be able to understand Chinese. Okay, what is your answer? It seems that she can be able to eat you. It appears that she. So you are referring the person she. Okay. She'd be happy if her children could play the piano. Okay. She wants her children to be able to play the piano. Okay, Ben, I get your idea. You understand, but there is some twist. So you have to focus on who is the one being talked about, the subject. So here is number 5. So your answer, it seems that she can be able to understand something. It's correct. But the answer is here, she seems to be able to understand Chinese. So what is focus here is she, the girl. Okay, you understand, Ben? But your idea, Ben, is correct. I can see that you are correct. The idea is good. You understand. And you know what, Ben? I'm discovering I'm observing you all through. So you improve your grammar. You understand easily. Very good, Ben. Okay? So let us hear. Okay. So complete the sentence with your own idea, Ben. Okay. You can talk it aloud to me. Okay, please talk it aloud to me. Okay, you think first and then tell me later.
Hello, can I skip?
Ah, again, why? Okay, it's hard. Okay, so let us have if you would like to. Okay, I have another topic. Wait, we've been Okay, let us move to even my boss is calling me again. Okay, this one. I will share to you this bit. Okay, family. We're going to talk about family. Okay. So in the family, we have here. So these are part of the family. Your cousins. How many cousins do you have, Ben? Ben.
Nothing.
How many cousins do you have? Ito na one eh. How many cousins do you have?
Right, I'm still counting.
You're still counting.
7 cousin.
Okay, so you have many cousins?
So, yeah. Okay.
Yes. Okay, so cousin. So you have many cousins.
7 cousin.
Okay, you have 7 cousins. Okay. So how about uncle? Do you have uncle?
Yeah, I have uncle and 2.
Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, present simple tense. Present simple tense. Okay, so we have here, we skip this one. Okay, very easy.
We done this.
Oh, yeah, we do this, right? I remember. Okay, let
We
us
done
have
this.
okay, I skip from developing, ha? I skip from one developing to another. Developing 5, finish. Oh, I will use developing 27. It's quite far, but I will use it for you. So this one, Ben. So we are talking personality. So we have here different type of personality. So you can see in here. Okay. So from the one I shown to you, what personality do you possess?
What?
Okay. So from this personality, what personality do you possess?
I don't know, maybe cheerful,
You are?
sociable.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, you're cheerful. Are you outgoing type of person? Are you outgoing?
Maybe.
Okay, so you are not? Okay. Are you competitive type of person?
No.
Okay, you're not competitive, Ben?
No.
Okay. How about polite? Are you polite?
No, actually.
Oh, you're not polite?
I don't know if I know.
Oh, okay, this one. Okay, so we have here different personality. Are you moody, Ben? Are you moody type of person? Yes or no?
Oh, wait, can you ask again?
Okay, are you moody type of person? Moody.
Oh,
You're not?
no.
No. Okay. Are you careless?
Maybe sometimes.
Okay. Are you shy?
Quite a lot.
Okay. Are you emotional?
Uh, yes.
Okay, you're
Maybe.
emotional?
Maybe.
Ah, you're emotional. Next one. Okay. Are you hardworking, Ben?
People telling me I'm not really hardworking something if they don't have.
Mm.
I don't know.
Hey, are you independent? Okay, are you independent?
Yep, but sometimes I need my parents.
Okay. Are you creative?
Yep, I sometimes make something that.
Oh, and are you sensitive?
Yeah, people telling me that.
Oh, are you kind?
Of course.
Oh, very good. Oh, that's good if you are kind. Okay. So this one. So we have here, okay, the task. Please listen to these conversations and look at the color and the adjective emotions.
Page 77. Exercise E. Listening comprehension. Listen to the conversations. Then complete each statement with the color and the adjective of emotion. Listen again if necessary to check your work. Conversation 1.
I'm getting a new car. What color do you think I should get?
Well, what about yellow?
Yellow?
Yeah, yellow's a happy color.
Conversation 2.
Tomorrow's my first day at the new job. What do you think I should wear?
Something cheerful.
What about a nice blouse and my blue suit?
Just right.
Conversation 3.
Does this red chair come in a different color?
Certainly, sir. What color would be better?
Well, something a little calmer. Red makes me nervous.
Conversation 4.
Look at those great shoes.
Are you kidding? The purple and green ones?
Yup. What's wrong with purple and green? I think they're exciting.
Yeah, if you're a kid. You should be wearing something more conservative, like brown.
How depressing.
Can I listen again?
Page 77. Exercise E. Listening comprehension. Listen to the conversations. Then complete each statement with the color and the adjective of emotion. Listen again if necessary to check your work. Conversation 1.
I'm getting a new car. What color do you think I should get?
Well, what about yellow?
Yellow?
Yeah, yellow's a happy color.
Conversation 2.
Tomorrow's my first day at the new job. What do you think I should wear?
Something cheerful.
What about a nice blouse and my blue suit?
Just right.
Conversation 3.
Does this red chair come in a different color?
Certainly, sir. What color would be better?
Well, something a little calmer. Red makes me nervous.
Okay.
Conversation 4.
Look.
Okay, it's exciting. There's a lacking letter C in exciting. The answer is depressing. Okay, so complete each statement with the correct prepositions.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, about in with when they believe with being honest and they got bored with being alone. They believe in being honest and talk about three. Where's number four? Where's number four? Okay, talk about and number five. Okay, they complain about the object to being themselves. Okay, so four, but you can repeat. Okay, so
Yeah.
here, what personality do you have, Ben? What personality do you have?
Funny, sociable, kind, creative. Yeah, just that.
Okay, so what personality?
Funny, sociable,
Okay, sociable. Okay, funny. Okay, so what strength? What is your strength? Here, you choose one. What do you think is your strength? What do you think is your strength?
I don't have any of them.
You don't have any of this? You're not creative? You're not focused?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. What is your weakness?
So, prism. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. How your personality changed when you grow up?
I don't have any like change when I grow up.
Okay. How your personality changed when you grow up?
No, I don't have any grow up.
What did you observe?
Childish.
Childish? You're still childish?
No, like childish has been changed when I grow up.
Okay, when you grow up, you become responsible, I think. Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, Ben. Because you have two siblings. Okay, younger brother and sister. Okay. Are you an optimist, Ben? Optimist it means positive. Or are you a negative type of person? Or optimist is this. Negative is this.
Positive.
Okay. Okay. So Ben, we don't have enough time for this. We will continue this describing personalities of your best friends. Okay. So I will see you, Ben. What time? Tonight? Do we have class tonight? Are you free at 8 p.m.?
Some
I don't
wait.
know. Yeah, 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. You want, you choose.
8 p.m. Wait. Let me ask my mom.
Okay, so you tell me after ha, Ben ha?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Ben. God bless Ben tonight. Bye-bye.
Bye.